Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the lesson number 8 of EVS grade 4, that is food health. If you want the lesson number 1 to lesson number 7 explanation, I have put it in the description box, you can check from there. Lesson number 8 I am making in two parts. This is part 1, part 2 link also I will put in the channel. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel. See, in this lesson we will explain about the balanced diet, we will classify the different nutrients, and we will practice the method of preserving food items, and we will discuss about the food habits of animals and birds and know how their beaks, teeth and other parts are modified to suit their food habits. So here one small story is there. It was Deepa's birthday. A girl named Deepa is there. Her birthday it was, and she likes carrot halwa very much. So her mother have prepared carrot halwa since her birthday was there. So Deepa's mother have prepared carrot halwa for her birthday. She ate well and slept. Then in the dream she had a carrot. Now Carrot and Deepa is talking to one another. Let us see what Carrot and Deepa will talk. Okay. See, Carrot says, Deepa, I am Carrot. You had enough of my halwa. You ate my halwa. Now let me know what you eat regularly. Carrot is saying to Deepa, let me know what all the things you eat regularly. So Deepa is telling, I eat different food items every day. Deepa is telling to Carrot that she eats different food items every day, and she knows that how and from which food items are prepared. So Carrot is saying, all right, let us make a list of all the food items that you eat. Activity is there, like Deepa, you also prepare a list of food items you know. So here you have to write the food items which you know, like chapati, palav and upma, puliogre, and whatever food items you eat every day and which you know, you can write here. Okay. Now the Carrot is saying, classify the food items from your list and write them in the spaces given below. Here we have to classify the food items into energy giving food items which help us to grow, and food items which protect our body. Now tell me, what are the energy giving food items? The food items which helps us to do the everyday work and to give energy to do the work are energy giving food items such as ragi, wheat and rice and millet, jowar, honey, sugarcane, etc. Okay. Now food items which help us to grow. What are the food items which help us to grow? Cereals, pulses, lentils, milk, egg, meat, fish. These are the food items which help us to grow. Okay. Next, food items which give protection to our body. What are the food items which give protection to our body? The food items like fruits, vegetables, fruits such as apple, banana, mango, or lemon, orange, and vegetables such as beans and carrot, radish, and green leafy vegetables also like mint, coriander, spinach, etc. These are all the food items which gives protection to our body. Okay, so Carrot is asking, Deepa, do you know the food you eat contains the nutrients that give energy and help you to grow and protect health? So Deepa is telling, no, I don't know. So Carrot is telling, these are nutrients. We are all having these nutrients. Now what are the nutrients which helps us to growth? Protein are the nutrients which help us to growth. Mineral salt and vitamins are the nutrients which build our body structure and protect us from the diseases and gives us good health. And lipids and carbohydrates are the nutrients which gives us energy. Okay, so Carrot is telling, in which food items are these nutrients found? Now let us know about it. Okay, see here, ragi is telling, I am ragi, I have carbohydrates as the main nutrient, I give energy to the body. Likewise, here some of the pictures are there who have lot of carbohydrates. We have to identify them and we have to write their names. Okay, what is this? This is corn. Next, sweet potato. This is wheat. This is ragi. This is millet. Next, potato. This one, sugarcane. This is honey. These are all the energy giving food. Okay. Now, due to the shortage of carbohydrates, one can suffer weakness. See children, if you not eat 3 times food like breakfast, lunch and dinner, you feel weakness, right? So all these are the carbohydrates, food which gives energy to our body. Okay. Next, see here, Deepa is this is cow bean. It is telling Deepa, look here, I am cow bean. I have a lot of protein. I help in growth of your body. Now let us see some of the beans which helps us to protect our body. First, what is this children? These are all the lentils. What is this? This is Bengal gram. This is black eyed beans. This is chickpeas. This one black gram. Next, this is groundnut. Okay, these are all the protein foods. Okay, next, apart from grains, proteins are present in some other food items also. Observe this picture and write their names. So these are all the pictures where we can find protein: egg, fish, milk, meat. Okay, now Carrot is saying, Deepa, look here, the butter, it has fat content. Groundnut oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, ghee also have fat content. So Deepa is asking, what is the use of fat? Carrot is saying, if we use little fat, it is enough. Fat gives more energy than carbohydrates. So Deepa is telling, is it? Carrot is telling, yes. Do you eat different vegetables, fruits and salt? So Deepa is telling, yes, I do, but I don't like greens. So Carrot is telling, look Deepa, you have to eat all the vegetables, greens and fruits as they are rich in mineral salt and vitamins. They protect you from diseases and keep you healthy. As I have told you, fruits, vegetables and greens are the food items which protect us from the disease and keeps us healthy. Okay. So Deepa is telling, yes, I know there are 4 important vitamins. So Carrot is telling, yes, they are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. All these are vitamins. See here children, the chart is given here. The 4 vitamins A, B, C, D. What are the food items which contains the vitamins A, B, C, D and what all the diseases from which they protect us from? Vitamin A is found in green and yellow vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, carrot, butter, ghee, milk and egg. If we eat these food items, we get vitamin A. Okay, so this preserves good eyesight and skin and our teeth. Vitamin B, wheat, ragi, black gram, greens, germinated seeds. This protects skin, heart and digestive system. Next, vitamin C, orange, lemon, tomato, raw vegetable, gooseberry, apple, pineapple, germinated grains. This protects teeth and gums. Vitamin D, cod liver oil. When sun rays fall on the skin, vitamin D is produced. See children, if we take the early sunshine from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, the vitamin D is produced in our body. It protects us from bones and teeth. Okay. See, so Deepa is telling, what happens if we don't eat them? So Carrot is telling, if we don't eat them, see, look at this chart and get to know what are the diseases caused due to their deficiency. Deficiency means due to the not sufficient. Deficiency means insufficiency. Okay. So, if we not eat vitamin A properly, it causes us night blindness. One cannot see in dim light. If we cannot eat vitamin B, we cause the accumulation of water in legs, muscle pain and respiration and heart problems. That is beriberi disease. If we not eat sufficient vitamin C, it will cause scurvy disease, soft and blending gums, swollen legs. If we not eat vitamin D food items properly, it causes rickets, that is disorders of bones and bowed legs. So Carrot is asking, do you like to be patient always? Deepa is telling, no. What should I eat to be healthy? Carrot is telling, beside all the food items mentioned, beans, radish, leafy vegetables, fruits with their skin and cereals, they are rich in fibers and help in excretion. So Deepa is telling, is it possible to eat all these food items a time? Carrot is saying it is not so. You should eat all these food items daily in the right proportion. Right proportion means right quantity. It provides the required amount of nutrients to the body, and our body in a required proportion is called balanced diet. So children, what is balanced diet? The food which provides all the nutrients to our body in a required proportion is called balanced diet. Beside, you should drink 4 to 5 glasses of water daily. This is our balanced diet. Okay. So Deepa is telling, how should the balanced diet be? Carrot is telling, look at this chart and know about it. See, this is the chart of balanced diet. In the 100%, how much part we have to eat which all the things? In 100%, 75 part we have to drink first water. Then in that 14 part we have to take carbohydrates. In 5 part we have to take proteins. In 4 parts we have to take lipids. And in 2 parts we have to take vitamins and minerals. Here one small song is there, you can sing and enjoy. So children, I hope you understood this much of the lesson. This is the first part of lesson number 8, food health. I will put the part 2 soon in my channel. If you want the continuation, you can check out in my channel. Thanks for watching.